Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Friends, I'm so happy to present to you this third video of our channel, and this video is going to be in continuation of the earlier two videos where we spoke about how do a new investor start their journey into stock markets. So friends, we are going to continue the same discussion. You can treat this as part number 3. And by the way, if you haven't seen any one of those two earlier videos which we have shot, the link is given in the description below. Please refer to those links and you can watch them before you proceed on this. There is no condition as such. You can go and watch this video first and come back to those videos earlier, and then continue watching them. But it's up to you. I will leave it up to you. So thank you again, friends, for being tuned with me today on this channel. As you can see, we have a very scenic location where we are shooting this video, and we are going to touch the point right now. Let's get started. Now, today, what I'm going to talk about is I'm going to talk about how a particular individual should be ideally picking stocks for investment. Now, in the first video, I have given you a very high level understanding about how to pick stocks for investing. And we saw that the best way, or the recommendation that we gave you, is to pick any one of the stocks which are present in Nifty 50. Now, today, what we are going to see is we are going to see as to how we are going to actually pick those stocks from Nifty 50, and then actually come to a conclusion or a serious note that, hey, out of these 50 stocks, this is the stock that I want to now go ahead and invest. How do I pick that? So, we are going to really talk about that, and let's get started. So, friends, before we begin, the disclaimer, guys, I am not a SEBI registered associate, so whatever we are discussing here, please take it for education purposes only, and do not make any investments or trading decisions based on what we are studying or understanding or listening in this video right now. If you do trade or invest taking any decisions on your own based on this video, you would be whole and sole responsible for any losses that you may incur, and I would not be responsible. Okay, friends, so let's get started. Now, the very first point I wanted your attention to is when we are picking any Nifty 50 stocks, okay, when we want to pick any one of the stocks from Nifty 50, the very basic condition that we should check, or I would recommend each one of us to check, is to find out whether the stock is trading above 200-day moving average. I repeat, guys. So the very first thing I would recommend you to pick a stock from Nifty 50 is if that stock you may find it to be trading above 200-day moving average. Now, why is that? Why am I recommending that? I'm recommending it because, as far as our understanding, as far as my knowledge goes, what I have observed is any stock that is trading above 200-day moving average is supposed to be a bullish stock. There is supposed to be or an expected bullish momentum existing in that stock. So this is the first recommendation or the first suggestion I'm giving, guys, for you all. The second one that I would recommend is if you find out that from that 50 stocks, there is one particular stock or there are multiple stocks that are trading above 200-day moving average. The second point, the second condition, the second criteria I wish you should be considering is whether that particular script or whether that particular stock has given consistent profits for a long time, at least for, let's say, 1 year or maybe 1.5 to 2 years. So the second condition is, guys, if you find that the first condition is being met, that the stock that you are trying to pick up for investment is trading above 200-day moving average, after that you can use the second point, which is you should see that that particular stock or that particular company is maintaining a consistent profit record for past at least 1 year or 1.5 year or 2 years, depending on what your criteria would be. So, guys, these are the two important points that I wanted you all to note down when you are doing some investment in stock market. The first, how to pick the stocks, you can see it in my first video. Then in this third video, what I'm recommending you guys is when you decide that you are going to pick out of those Nifty 50 stocks only one, two, three, four, whatever stocks you want to pick, the first recommendation that I would like to highlight here is that particular stock or that particular script should be trading above 200-day moving average, because we consider that a stock trading above 200-day moving average is supposed to maintain a bullish momentum, at least in the short term. And the second point that I recommend is, once you feel that the first criteria is successfully met, please go and check whether that particular company or that particular script is giving consistent profits, at least for past 1 year or 1.5 year or 2 years, depending on the horizons that you would expect to have your studies meet the criteria. So friends, if any particular script from Nifty 50 meets criteria 1 and criteria 2, both of them, and then you still feel that yes, these two are met and your study also confirms that this script is something that we should go or you should go into invest, go ahead and invest that. That's a recommendation, that's a suggestion. Again, please refer to the disclaimer that I have stated before in this video, and then take your actions as you feel may be good or advised. So I think that's pretty much it from my side in this video for all of you guys. If you have any questions, if you have any suggestions, do let me know in the comment section. I will come out with some maybe special videos like this one with the special locations that I'm shooting this one in near future. Thank you again for being tuned with me on my YouTube channel. Bye for now. Stay tuned, guys.